Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes,
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
speak English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. Willing to work in Malaysia po.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Wala po. Nothing.
Okay. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
No, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Mary Grace Lagrosas.
Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
39.
Are you single or married?
Single mother, ma'am.
Single mother, no single with living partner.
No.
When is your birthday?
July 18, 1985.
What is your height and your weight?
5'2", and my weight is 53.
Okay. What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
Undergraduate of First Year College, STI Cubao.
Undergraduate. Okay. How many children do you have? 3. Ages? How old are those children?
My youngest is 14, and the middle is 16, and the eldest is 21.
Okay. So who will going to take care of these children knowing that you are a single mother?
Because my
mother.
father, yes.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
Right now, he's in the province, Ilocos, because he's with her boyfriend, but they are long time. Then she's telling me if I'm going to abroad, she's willing to take care of my children.
Okay. So how many brother and sister do you have?
2 brothers and 1 sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Youngest, yeah.
You are the youngest. Okay. So in your biodata, it was stated that you have a working experience as a housemaid way back 2021 to 2023 in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
In Cainta, Rizal.
Rizal. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Rizal?
Sorry, ma'am.
What are your duties there?
Cooking, sometimes ironing, sometimes washing.
Okay. You do house chores?
Yes, ma'am. No.
So you cooking, laundry, and ironing only?
No, ma'am. Everything.
Oh, so you do house chores la?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you take your children there or take care elderly?
Yeah, sometimes have children. I take care also. 10 years old.
One only.
Mm.
Okay. So what happened after 2023? Do you have any working experience?
No, ma'am.
So you are a single mom. You are a full-time mom. 2024 until recently.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You know that being a first-timer is very hard and you need to endure, frequently homesickness will attack you. Are you
It's
ready?
yes, ma'am.
What will you do if your homesickness attacked you?
I always pray for myself and for my family only, ma'am. Only that.
Okay, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes.
You need to be multitasking, you need to be flexible, and you cannot easily go back home because you
Yes.
were going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Once you breach your contract, you know that there will be a consequences also that you need to pay your employer or you need to compensate your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes,
Can you take your baby?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? Are you okay to take your pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any dogs or cats?
Sometimes I'm afraid of a dog, ma'am.
But you okay to take your pets?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are not playing here, okay? As I have mentioned, you were going to sign a 2 years contract. We don't want to hear from you that I wanted to go back home. I wanted to see my children because I miss my children. No such a thing, okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
need to get ready yourself. You need to embrace yourself. You need to be flexible. You need to work hard because this will be also for your children as you are a single mother, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out. Yes. So if you will work on your rest day, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract we have 1,800, but if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Okay? Are you okay with our terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are okay? Because we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, then it's fine. We don't force you. But if you are agree, then it's okay. You need to adhere. You need to follow our rules and regulations because we don't want to have such a problem later once you reach here in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Always follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. Any problems, any concerns, inform the employer. We need to follow and respect their culture. In Philippines, we can do whatever we want, but in other countries or here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to humble ourselves, okay? We
Yes,
are
ma'am.
poor in the Philippines. That's why we wanted to work abroad. Because we wanted to sustain our family's needs. Because in Philippines, we cannot like take a whole salary, like for example here that you can earn like 20,000 plus. In Philippines we cannot take it. You can
Yes, ma'am.
also pay the transportation, the bill, then how much you can earn only. Like for example, you can have 15,000 for every month, then you need to pay the transportation, the bills, the water, the electricity, the rent. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so if you have an opportunity to work abroad here, then you need to stick for it. You need to be thankful and be grateful because always remind yourself why you wanted to work abroad. Yeah? Because of the poverty in the Philippines, we are poor. That's why we go abroad. We need to endure our pain and our homesickness so that we can sustain our family's needs. Okay? Okay. So, April Joy, I think that's all. Thank you for now. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Ma'am, excuse, I just want to this for some.
So I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time again, Mary Grace. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay? And most especially, you need to work harder, okay?
Yes,
We don't
ma'am.
want, as I have mentioned, we don't want problem. You don't want problem also. Just earn some money so that you could send to your family every month, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much and have a good day.